welcome back to Classy Claws. Today's video was a mixture of everything I own, I think. This young lady came in with horrendous nails and I just kind of pulled them off when she came in. I told her off for that, obviously. And she's going to Park Life next weekend, so she wanted something nice and bright. We'd seen a set that was done by Tipnflicks, which is a local person to me, I think. And we kind of had a go at those. So I've used all CJP what I've got, pumpkin pie or whatever it's called, I'm not sure, mango tango, flamingo, bubble gum. I'm just leaning over to have a look. Then I've got a bit of a more in there, crystal glass, and then I ordered some powders from eBay this week. I think there were £5 for about 12 different colours, and I used a yellow which I watered down with my dreaded Snow White, which was a good tip by somebody, and also some greens and blues which I didn't have. Then I used the glitters from the Indian Summer collection from let me just check, the Glitter Fairy, yeah. Then I've used a bit of some gold glitter that I've got of my own. I've just kind of used a bit of that. And then I've got some purple monster glitter. Not quite sure where that was from. And then I'd also got some royal metallic multi-cut royal from the Glitter Fairy, which is the blue glitter. And then I've also got a iridescent yellow glitter. And that is from... let me see, that is from Smiley 6062, Bucks Fizz that's called. So there was a mixture of everything in this set. Wasn't sure how they were going to turn out. I had a picture to go by. I should have added the picture actually on here to show you, but I didn't, I'm sorry. Or I might do at the end. If I can put it in, I'll show you what inspired me to do them. So yeah, so I kind of just, they went from light to dark basically. So they go from yellow orange, yellow pink, orange and orange, that kind of stuff, and then purple to blue, and then blue to green, and then green to blue and purple at the end. So you'll see anyway, you'll get the gist of it. I didn't record the filing just because it just took. These nails actually took. She arrived at 10, and then by the time she'd sat and took off her other nails, because my drill bit isn't working properly, so I haven't got the drill. So she'd had them on for weeks and weeks and weeks, and they were hanging off anyway. So by the time she'd taken them off and we'd got all the colours out and decided what we were doing, it was near on, I don't know, probably nearly 11 o'clock by the time we started. And then she was here till 1:30. So quite a while, probably about 3 hours this set took, which was a long, long time. But anyway, we got there in the end. I hope you like them. If you like, hit the like button and subscribe. If you don't like, please don't hit the thumbs down. I kind of just think, well, if you don't like it, don't watch. I think that's, that's not fair on people who are learning and trying and doing their best. It really knocks your confidence a bit. So I'd rather you just, if you haven't got anything nice to say, just don't say it. I would never give a thumbs down to somebody because I think somebody's worked hard to do that, and I think that's just me. Whether that's rude or not, I don't know. But anyway, I hope you like these nails. Have a look, subscribe, share, whatever. And I will see you in the next one. I've got a lady here in 10 minutes, so I have no idea what she's wanting. So you'll see that either later on or tomorrow. All right, take care. Thanks very much, and see you all soon. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.